Hey everyone, it's Maya. Today, Arjun and I are going to be talking about something super cool, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is like digital money. You can't hold it in your hand, but you can use it to buy things online.
Sounds kind of weird. Why not just use regular money?
That's a good question. Regular money is controlled by banks and governments. Crypto is different, it's decentralized, which means no one person or group is in charge.
So how do you get these crypto coins?
There are a few ways. You can buy them with regular money, or you can mine them. Mining uses computers to solve complex puzzles, and when you solve one, you earn a new coin.
That sounds hard. Can't you just, print more crypto coins?
Nope! Most cryptocurrencies have a limit on how many coins can ever exist. That makes them kind of rare, like limited edition trading cards.
Interesting. But what can you even buy with crypto?
Lots of things: video games, artwork, even some restaurants accept it. Remember, crypto is still new and can be risky. Its value can go up and down really fast. So, before you jump into crypto, it's important to learn more about it and understand the risks.
We learned about the basics. Now, where do we buy these crypto coins?
That's where crypto exchanges come in, Arjun. They're like marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. For crypto coins, there are different exchanges with different features, so it's important to choose a safe and reputable one.
Okay, so what about all the different crypto coins?
Great question. There are tons of different cryptocurrencies, each with its own purpose and technology. The most famous one is Bitcoin, but there are many others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and even some with funny names like Dogecoin. People can make money through crypto in a few ways. One way is buying a coin at a low price and selling it when the price goes up. Another option is holding on to a coin for a long time, hoping its value will increase over time. This is called hodling, a fun term in the crypto world. But remember, there's also the risk of the price going down. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's important to be patient, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, friends, thanks for joining us. See you next time.